Today we'll be doing analytical paragraph writing. In the exam, when you have to write a paragraph, it has to be about 100 to 120 words, and it is based on the given outlines, the charts, the clues, the graph, whatever is given in the question. You have to read the question carefully and then write the paragraph. The format of a paragraph. Now, the question analytical paragraph writing is of 5 marks. It requires analysis and comparisons of the given facts. The format is simple. It needs a heading. Every writing task has a heading. So in order to frame a heading, you can take the help of the question. Let your heading be attractive, concise as short, and yet informative. The best way to write a nice heading is to frame it from the question itself. The content has to be of 100 to 120 words, and the content has to be in a single paragraph. Now, you cannot list the points in the content. You have to form a single paragraph. The content of the paragraph must include, when you write the paragraph, be sure that you have these points: the introductory sentence, or we call it the topic sentence. The introductory sentence, try to explain it in a line or two. And again, the question is going to be quite helpful in framing your introductory sentence. Whatever the question is, read it very carefully, and then you'll find the introductory sentence. You can frame it from there itself. Then we have the body of the paragraph. Whatever trends have been given in the graph, in the chart, whatever trends have been given, just write them in a paragraph form. Compare and contrast. And then see that you write a concluding line. Again, the concluding line will be your main inference from whatever the information has been provided. Now here you followed that the format of an analytical paragraph needs a heading, and the heading you can frame it from the question itself. The content has to be 100 to 120 words and should have a topic sentence, the introductory sentence, then body about the comparison and contrast, and then finally a concluding line. But all things means after the heading you can leave a line, but see, the content forms a single paragraph. The content should include introductory sentence, body of the paragraph, and the concluding line. So it is simple. On the top you have the heading, then you leave a line, and then the content contains your introductory sentence, then the main trends, and then the concluding line. The marking scheme, the paragraph writing is of 5 marks. So here 3 marks are for your content and 2 marks are for your expression. 2 marks for expression include grammatical accuracy and appropriate words and spellings. Just be careful about your spellings. Use linkers. Don't repeat the word and, than again and again. See that you use appropriate linkers, and the ideas are connected coherently. The content marks are again divided. The introductory sentence is of half a mark, body of the paragraph 2 marks, and the concluding line is of half mark. So when you write your paragraph, be careful that it has a topic sentence, it has the information given in the question, it has the clues and the graph, whatever is given, the information related to the question, and then the concluding line, your final summary of the paragraph. See that you don't list the points. Use appropriate functional language: more, less, increase, decrease, and see that the paragraph is cohesion is there, coherent it is. With comparative degree we use the word than. When we are comparing two things, we use the word than. and the spelling is THAN. Never say more better than, it is only better than. When we compare in a positive way, it is as good as the other. We don't say not so good as the other. It is, and when we compare in a negative way, it is not so good as. Whatever facts, chart, graph has been given, use that. Don't write your own information. See that your information is related to the question. Your paragraph should be coherent, cohesive. It should be 100 to 120 words. It should have a heading, and after the heading you can leave a line, and it is a single paragraph. And then write it carefully. Don't make spelling errors, because spelling errors you lose marks for it. Thank you. Have a nice day.